We are going to the waterfall. The crazy ride. I don't know what to expect in this jungle. Maybe someone will eat us. Maybe someone will eat her. Yes, baby?
I just get my keys though.
Bam. Oh shit, I almost flipped.
Looking to buy.
Wow. Small pit stop for breakfast. Bonnet. Oh, yo, 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 yo. Hello. We are driving in the land. There is a lot of cows, mountains, and rivers.
Again.
Oh, they built something. We're almost there.
Why film something boring?
I wanna live here. Okay, translate again.
Alex, remember, if anybody is wearing long pants or very heavy clothes like jackets, you're gonna want to remove it because when we go down there, we're gonna walk through water and about this high, half your thigh. Okay. So you need
Okay.
to remove.
Remove your clothes, Nico. Yes! Just like that. We go somewhere deep. Oh my god. We're already there? This is the waterfall?
Yes, this was most beautiful waterfall.
Whoa! It was worth driving an hour. But mostly gang. Hello! What did they say?
Be careful.
Oh yeah. О, ты как, живой? Damn, what the fuck?
I'm scared of my flip-flops. 15 minutes or 30 minutes, depends on your speed.
Okay.
Or API. 15 more minutes of this.
Beautiful mountains over there. Wild jungle. Wild cats. Look at the grace. Look at the pace of this cat. Very careful. Each step she take very carefully and consider every possible danger ahead. We met some company over there. Guys chilling right in the road. Yeah, we're coming. Колян на пролом просто. Oh my god, that's a skull. Skull of dead animal. Dead rare animal. It might be here for centuries, for thousands of years. Now we're back in the jungle. We crossed the river and we don't know what to expect. But we still keep going because we don't have any choice. Only walking through this jungle will save our lives. Enjoy walking? Good, she like it. She's Bulgarian. This means yes. Oh, I hear someone in jungle. We need to go a little bit faster. Yeah, it's an Epstein Island. We try to get all the secrets from here. What's been going on in here? We need, right?
Yeah, we can walk a little bit more.
We can walk a little bit more, she say. Almost there. Come on, baby. You can do that. Oh my god. This one is pretty dangerous. Oh shit. Oh my god.
So a lot of people are gonna find this waterfall and
Yeah.
have barbecues and karaoke.
Yeah. There are some people doing barbecue and listening to the music. Okay, last words.
А дальше будет еще раз ехать, потому что этот грустный колечко перерождается на скале по-новому.
Yeah, we reached the waterfall. It's beautiful. Okay, Peach, go first. Nico decided to do this way. He said it's easy as fuck. He wanna reach this one a little bit further, next floor of the waterfall. Okay, what Peach will do? She tried to climb the rocks. What? Oh, Колян! Колян! Держать! Держать! Может быть, нахуй!
What the hell?
Oh my god, we might film death of Nico for real. I'm really scared. Bro! Peach already there! Damn, they crazy, babe. Now Nico will jump right on this poor little girl. Let's go! Careful! Hey! Full dive. Awesome. What a wonderful life. Good Vietnamese people offered us some food, and now the main chef is cooking. What you cook, babe? Shrimp. They share shrimp with us, and they share corn with us, and share cucumbers, and they clean the trash. It's very good people. We respect such people, right, Nico? Big respect. There's some kids also enjoying the waterfall. And they share the coke. Sing, come on. Oh my god, come on. Come on.
Прекрасные добрые люди дали нам пивка.
Done. We left our food to these kids. They enjoy. And now we go back home. Damn, what the hell? Come on, baby. Oh my god, we have to climb a lot.
Oh fuck! Where?
Oh my god, it's not gonna be easy to get home. They share beers with us. So now we have one beer each. Woo! We are on the top.
Underwear. Some people forgot his underwear after swimming.
Oh yeah, and they go naked home. Free man.
It's enough.
The name is Free Man and they are blue. What it can tell us about this person? Maybe he come here to escape his problems in this waterfall. Drink some beer, take off your underwear and go crazy. Каких только рыбок тут не водится в этом Вьетнаме. Good job, babe. Поднимаемся. Oh shit. Going up. We're going up, up, up. It's our moment. Gonna be golden. Gonna be golden. Whew. We did it. Now just straight jungle. Wow. Waterfall, rocks, or something, I don't know. Some crickets, special crickets. I'm not educated enough to know, but it's beautiful. I can grow what? But to grow it, you have to take care of it. You cannot just let it grow. Oh my god, that will be so good and chill to drive now after such adventure. Okay, there's a bridge. Oh my god, there's a bridge. We're almost there. Мы разделились. Мы пошли по правой стороне подмостья, а ребята пошли по левой стороне подмостья. Кто придет первым? Кажется, не мы, потому что мы сейчас типа в гамачке в этом расчилимся. You wanna chill in hammock? You wanna chill in hammock?
No.
Now some crazy dog will run and chase us. Some parking lot and swimming boat.
It's a swing.
Yeah, yeah.
Swang, right? Swang.
Yeah, you use your feet to pedal it. We reached the road. Now we reach the bikes there. Hello! It's a documentary
Hey,
movie
look.
about Vietnamese people.
Maybe, oh, it's a fall. Maybe we can visit.
We finished first, but it's almost the same for both sides of the bridge. Будет ли лай? Нет, она уже знает свои. Bike.
Зайдем, телефоночки.
We reached the destination. Now we chill. Everyone decides to drive when
Look at this guy. What he do in the road? Look, this is the small coffee.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, look, the small coffee and food or something. Wow, look at the daddy view. He stopped to take the glasses.
Okay, we are home. Damn, the lenses. Finally home. We arrived safely and now we go play VR, virtual reality, but it's not gonna be filmed. The waterfall trip is finished. We're home, safe and chill.